cost you, say, $60, right? I'm gonna do a quick bit of math, right? So you got 100 hours out of $60. I spent $1,500 on my iPad plus Apple Pencil. So, to get the same amount of value per dollar out of my iPad that you got out of Splatoon, I would need to spend 25 times as much. Having spent 25 times as much as you did on the game, I would need to get 25 times as many hours. Which means I would need to get 2,005 hours out of my iPad to get as much value out of it as you have out of Splatoon. That is what is going to stress me out. Wait, was it actually £60? Gee whiz, that means it was even more expensive for you than it would be for us. I would have thought games were cheaper there. Oh, I haven't finished this one. Okay, bag 2 is done. Yeah, £50 sounds more like it. It's got rotating headlights. Why turquoise though? That red in there, that bothers me. Why does that need to be there? Why does it need to be visible? Did I build it wrong? No, it's meant to be like that. Yeah, that bothers me. Oh well. On to the third and final bag. Yeah, old pop-out headlights. So good. My brother's car. My brother had a Nissan 300ZX. ZX or Z? ZX, I think. And it had the pop-up lights, and it was awesome. It is now time for our final bag hype. And I'm going to say this is actually the final bag hype for the evening, because I don't know if I've got it in me to do another set after this. So,
hey, do you want to feel
so
so hype? Try new bag hype. Bag openings for people who need gratuitous amounts of Lego. With all new bags like Bag 6, new bag energy. It's like adding Lego to a bowl. Appeal to the chat. You're going to be
enjoy your remote-only chat, guys.
Hype. What's that? You want Bag 7? Well, how about Bag 8? Made with Lego. Real Lego. Building. Put in a bowl. You'll be good at it. It's a Lego set for square. Some quadrilateral dude. These aren't your square puns. These are terrible puns. Corn pie.
Wow, there's no pieces in
Lego,
this bag.
hype, Lego, old Lego, new Lego, more Lego than your abode has room for. You'll build so fast, us will be like, slow down. You'll be like, no, honey, and love it dearly with a raise. Darcy deserves a raise. You'll have so much hype, like plastic bag. Just building all the time. Power building, power stacking, power testing, power separating, power fixing, power interlocking, power streaming Lego sets. You'll have so many Lego sets. 400 Lego sets. Give an element of freedom to your chat and they'll be good at trolling. Make your chat troll abnormally fast. They'll troll as well as corn curls. People watch them trolling and think they're corn curls. They'll troll as fast as corn curls and troll up against actual corn curls and it'll be a time they'll get banned. Hey, go with the sure thing. Don't gamble on your highly sophisticated interlocking brick system. Legos!
Oh, I didn't give Darcy a raise.
The hype that'll make you put in a bowl. Legos! Like plastic bag.
Hey Darcy, do you feel like earning that raise? Cause ding 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 ding. I feel like such a git. All right, thank you guys for the final bag hype for the evening. We'll build some of those video beatboxes another time. Not sure? Not sure? Yeah, that's true. Darcy does deserve another raise for that. I apologize. Still playing Animal Crossing? Come on, man. Come on, man. My throat. It hurts so much. Darcy, I'm sick. I've got the black lung pop. I've come down with the black lung. Darcy, help. My poor throat. My poor throat. Darcy, please. Okay, I'll give you another raise for that too. What am I, some kind of merman? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. What are you still doing here, Lone? Isn't it like 4 AM? Do I have to check what time it is in Hawaii? I actually don't think I have Hawaii time on here. Oh no, it'd be like, what, nearly 2? Yes, Darcy, give in! I am a sook. Yay, extra generous. Yes. Almost 1 AM. Alright, well that's not so bad. What are you up to, Lone? Hunting for Lego? Playing Valorant? What's the go? I beat the #1 Magic Limited player in the world. Oh yeah, no big deal. That's fine. That's normal evening stuff. Hello? That's insane, dude. That's amazing. In an exhibition match, I assume. But that's awesome. Congratulations, well done. What, ranked ladder? Holy crap. My dude. Why are you so good at Magic the Gathering? Or do you mean you beat him at rock, paper, scissors or something? He's like, yeah, I beat the top player in the world, the top Magic the Gathering player in the world at rock, paper, scissors. I did know that you used to be a Magic streamer. Do you think you'd ever get back into that? Or is it just all Lego from here on out for you? Like it basically is for me.
Alright. Come on, sook boy. Give me your mug.
Ding 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 ding
You
ding
owe
ding.
me though.
I owe you, do I?
Yeah.
I gave you a raise! She's gonna spit in my drink, I just know it. Honestly, I probably deserve it. Quarantine in the last 3 days while I get tested and stuff, so I fired up Magic the Gathering Arena, went from Bronze 4 to Mythic in the last 3 days. Well, I'm guessing that's the top tier. Jeebers. Someone's good at the game. Oh, yo, 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 yo.
Lego.
Lego. Freedom, my man. Continuing your sub. How you doing, dude? 12 months. 12 months since you happened upon my stream. That's flown by. How you doing, Freedom? How's life treating you? Gamer? What are you playing? In Before Freedom is the top Magic player in the world that Lauren just beat. What a twist. I do really appreciate 12 solid months of support, dude. Thank you very much. Been playing idle games as copium until New World comes out. What is New World? I don't think I... Is that a subtitle or